today's video is like continuation siya ng video ko earlier. Kasi umalis kami, bumili kami ng shopping ng makeup. Because, I saw this video on TikTok or Instagram Reels na, recreate niya yung makeup ni Emily sa Emily in Paris, and then feature niya yung lipstick na like it's a matte lipstick, it's a red matte lipstick. Tapos sabi ko, gusto kong bumili nun. I really want one. So what I did is that I save up a little bit para makabili ako nun. So ayun na nga, bumili kami. Nagpasama ako sa friend ko. Pumunta kami doon sa may bilihan doon sa center ng Maarif sa Casablanca, dito sa Casablanca. And ayun, I'm so happy kasi nga nakabili na ako ng lipstick, but in different shade. Kasi nga sabi ng friend ko, you're always using red lipstick, so maybe it's time for you to use another color. So yun, so mag-unboxing tayo guys. Here, unboxing. So first, yung chinika ko, yung lipstick. The lipstick and the brand is, are you ready? YSL. Yes. Wait lang. Ito yung The Slim. Number 8. And the shade of Contrary Fuchsia. Spell mo yung fuchsia. Pink na lang. Ganon. So, ito siya. Let me. It's so cute. So, ito yung box. At saka ito siya. YSL. I'm so happy. So, yung shade niya is ito. Super cute. Fuchsia. I'm gonna try it later, of course. So, ayun. Na-achieve ko na. YSL lipstick. And the second one is for the unboxing. Oh my god. So, ito nabudol ako, no? Kasi, I asked the sales lady, sabi ko, gusto ko ng matte covered foundation powder. So, pilit niya akong minumove dun sa Lancome. And then, meron lang silang 3 na shades. As in, 3 lang. And then, puro siya dark shade. Yung isa, orange. Parang, yun na yung pinaka-light. Pero pag nilagay sa skin ko, orange talaga siya, guys. So, hindi ko siya talaga bet. Pero yung sales lady, push siya ng push na, ito. It's for you, it's for you. It's like, no, like, mas maputi yung mukha ko kaysa sa shade. Tapos, pag nilagay ko pa siya orange, hindi ko bet. So, sabi ko, naghanap ako. So, ito, I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's so freaking expensive, guys. Naloka ako kasi at first, I thought, 500 lang. Like, dirham, it's like $50. Eh, nung nasa counter na ako, oh my god, it costs 915 dirham. It's almost $100, guys. Like, parang 90-ish dollars. It's almost $100. So, wala akong choice. Nahiya akong ibalik. Kasi nga, nilagay na, as in, pinunch na. So, the brand is, I don't know what's it called. Guerlain. Oh my god. It's like 95. 90. I don't know. Ang mahal. Like 916 dirham. Maybe 96, 90. So almost $100. So, ayun. I don't have a choice, guys. Kasi nga, pinunch na siya sa counter. So, napabili ako. So, ito siya, guys. I don't know how to pronounce, but it's Guerlain Patty. Fire Gold. I don't know. I need to Google this one. So, ito siya. Almost $100. Oh my God. Last na to. This will be my first and last. Na-shock ako sa price. So, meron siyang pouch. It's nice because it has pouch. Of course, this serving is $100. So, may pouch siya. So, ganito siya. Tcharam! Ito pala siyang name. Oh, the name is here. It's so cute, right? Pero hindi siya cute sa bulsa. So, pag open mo, ay, hindi pa ako marunong mag-open. So, pag open mo, guys, ganito siya. Pag close, ganyan. Close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open. So, ito yung sponge niya. Color black sponge. And then, ito yung powder. So, dito siya. Compact powder. Almost $100 powder. Oh my God. Nakakalok. Nakakainis na nakakalok. But at the same time, I'm proud of myself. Parang gano'n na na-afford ko siya. Pero still, it's not practical. You know? Pero ay, wala naman akong ano nung Pasko. Nung gift for myself. So, sige na nga. Deserve ko na lang. Ito, tsaka itong YSL na. These two. So, ayun, ito yung pinakamahal na makeup na nabili ko. As in, $100 worth na powder. Like, isang makeup lang. This one lang talaga. And, I don't know, never again. I hope they have refill kasi nga sa Chanel, nagre-refill sila, guys, nitong ano. Ito lang yung bibilhin mo. Like the powder alone, not the whole thing. So, I hope this one, makakabili ako ng refill na lang. Maybe, siguro half the price na lang sana. Kasi nga, just go down. I can't. If same price, again, no, thank you. Hindi na ako bibili ulit. Just for the experience and the budul. So, I have no choice. So, ayun. This is our unboxing. It's a continuation of the vlog. I'm still happy. I'm so happy. So happy with the YSL. Kasi mo, diba? Oh my God! Look at that! Oh shit! Ang ganda! Oh my God! Oh my God, guys! It's good! Diba? Emily in Paris. It's nice, huh? So, yun. I'm happy with my purchase. This one, super happy. This one, I don't know. I need to try this one. Hindi ko pa siya na-try, but I'm gonna try. Sana swak sa ano ko. Mukha ko. So, yun na, guys. That's our unboxing for today. Unboxing. Oh, wait. Unboxing. Kasi nga, budul. Budul for the day. Thank you for watching and thank you for the face. For the good service. Thank you. Bye!